me something, it might just take the pain away. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering to your lips.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely wonderful today. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for joining and for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. Welcome to my brand new subscribers. And of course, I am always happy to bring you guys videos every single week. It could be a Wednesday or a Sunday. As long as your notifications are turned on, you would be notified every time I upload a video. And I just want to remind you guys that my channel is a skincare channel, okay? Beauty and skincare, mostly skincare. And of course, yes, I do the odd hauls and collabs in between, but it is a skincare channel. And I show you guys lots of options when it comes to using products to clear your skin, some medium to high price and some low-end good products from the drugstore. You guys know all of this stuff already. I share with you guys here on my YouTube channel, and of course my website, sassyover55.com, is my backup to my YouTube channel. There was lots of information on there, giveaways constantly, so please check it out. And you know, there are times when, you know, if you want to see more videos, you're not going to find them on here on YouTube. You're going to see the videos on my website, so just always check it out. And so today we are going to be doing a sort of a makeup beauty haul. Not too many things to show you guys. I don't wear a lot of makeup, okay, but if I have to go out and spend money, yes, I do have quite a few things, but I don't put a lot of things on my face. But if I have to go out and buy makeup, it has to be practical. Not only it must be practical, it has to also be cheap. I know. I am just a little bit frugal with my money. But listen, you know, again, I don't wear a lot of makeup, but it has to be very, very inexpensive makeup, because I don't want to have to go out and buy an expensive eyeshadow palette for 60, 70, 80 bucks to have it just sitting in my drawer. It doesn't make any sense. It has to be practical. And some of these things you will already find on my website. Please always, again, check it out, and you're going to see quite a few things on there. Let's just start with this lipstick. I am wearing this beautiful lipstick today from Revlon, and this is called Dream Job. This is, again, on my website. This is a beautiful pink matte lipstick. This lipstick does not dry. I remember back in the days when you would buy matte lipsticks and you try to smile, your lips are all cracked. Not so with this one. Very, very, very pretty. And again, this is called Dream Job, and the number is 014. And I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. The doe is quite interesting. It has a little curve to it, and it is a very, very, very soft, beautiful matte lipstick. It looks like it's red when you take it out from the package, okay, but it is a beautiful pink. And this time of year, spring, summer, yes, you can wear this in the fall as well, because there are some shades of pink that you can wear like all year. But again, there are some that you just can't wear for the winter, because everybody always go a little bit muted for the winter anyways. But this is a gorgeous, beautiful lipstick. And I went in with a lip liner. And I got this lip liner from Primark in London on Oxford Street a long time ago. And it goes pretty well. But you don't really have to go in with a lip liner if you want. But this is so beautiful. Again, from Revlon. And I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. Beautiful little packaging. Very nice. Dream Job. Dream Job. And the number is 014. And again, this is from Revlon. You can pick this up in your local beauty supply store or from your drugstores or wherever you buy your beauty supplies from. And I've already showed you guys this blue liquid eyeliner from Annabelle. Yes, this is beautiful. And I think an option to wear in black or brown. This is a beautiful blue. Oops, I'm going to spill everything out. This is a beautiful blue liquid eyeliner. I mean, look at the vibrancy of this. It is just so pretty. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys. It is very, very pretty. And I think blue eyeliners look so beautiful on dark skin. It really allows your eyes to pop out just a little bit. Absolutely beautiful. Again, you can find this in your drugstore or from Walmart. And I also have another one here from Sephora as well, another blue liquid eyeliner. This is also very, very pretty. And again, I like to use a blue liquid eyeliner as opposed to black. Now this one has more of a deeper undertone. It has more of a black undertone to it, whereas this one is a more vibrant blue. This one here is from Sephora. I'm going to leave this one in the description box for you guys. And this is the one here from Annabelle, and this is from Sephora. Really, really good choice. Good options for you guys as well. And this is from Annabelle. And Annabelle is one of those beauty lines that is so underrated, but the products are really good, again, from the drugstore. And this is Annabelle Perfect Fit Ultra Hydrating Tint. And the shade of this, I will leave in the description box for you guys. Let's see if I can find it. It's called Tan, T-A-N. And you guys are going to see me use this in a makeup video that's going to be coming up in the next few days. But this is a beautiful, beautiful, light, soft tint foundation. Very, very, very nice. The consistency is a little bit watery, but you can also build this up, and it's a perfect, perfect match for my skin. Balance this out with powder. Really, really nice. Again, from Annabelle. Love that. And also from Annabelle, I picked up the setting spray. This is the Energizing Setting Mist. Here it be. Okay, and again, it's called the Perfect Fit. This is from the Perfect Fit line from Annabelle. I am in love with their products. I really am. And this is the setting spray, and I've used this before. And again, you will see this coming up in a video where I've done the makeup look using the product. Now, this is also from Annabelle. Yes, it's an Annabelle theme, not the whole video, but this is their setting powder. This is a perfect setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. You will also see this on my website, and it really helps to brighten under the eyes, and it is a brightening under eye powder. It is lovely. Again, you guys are going to see me using this in a makeup video coming up. I love this powder. Nice little packaging. It's not too much, because if I have to buy, like I said, any sort of a makeup product, it has to be practical, and it has to be something that I would really like. And I really like this one because I love the packaging, number one, and it's not like it's a hell of a lot of powder. And I'm just going to open it up, and I've used this before. And I know we had the Sacha Buttercup banana powder before, I think, in the past. That was a little bit more of a yellowy color. This is very, very, very muted, very, very, very light. But you are going to see in a video when I put this on, it's going to really brighten up the under eyes. And for me, when I'm buying beauty products or skincare products, it has to have that beautiful brightening effect to help enhance my skin. And this is one of those powders. You may not be able to see it because it's yellow. Okay, and this is it right here from Annabelle. You guys are going to really love that. And so I picked up from Hard Candy. This is an eyeshadow stick. And I don't remember if I showed you guys this before, because I'm one of those people, like, I'm just wearing one eyeshadow today, and this is from Urban Decay, and I just kept it really light. And if this is one of those eyeshadow sticks, if you're having issues with, let's say, cut creases, or you're having trouble blending, this is a good option for you guys from Hard Candy. And I think I've used this before in a video, but I just want to show you guys again. And it has a lovely, soft, beautiful shimmer look, which I really, really, really like. And that's going to give you this really light eyeshadow look over your eyes. You can use this all over your eyes if you want, or just on the lid. But this is really, really pretty. You can blend this in with something maybe just like a matte eyeshadow as well, and it's going to look really, really, really pretty. And again, this is from Hard Candy. This is from Walmart, and of course, you know, these things are really, really inexpensive. Next, I do have this eyeshadow, and this is from Wet n Wild, and this is called Pinch Me Pink. And I haven't opened this yet, but I'm just going to open this now for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Okay. And Pinch Me Pink is what it's called, from Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my cheeks for you guys. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is the shade right there. It's pink. Okay, and I don't like eyeshadow. I'm sorry, eyeshadow. This is a blush. I don't like blushes that are too shimmery on my cheeks. It's gonna make me look too shiny. So, and here it be. Let me just put a little bit on my hand. Yes, this gives you a little bit of a shimmer. Yes, you can probably barely see it, but let's just put this just like right here. You may not be able to see it this much, but just a nice shimmer just in the corner of the eyes, just right on the cheeks. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very, very, very nice and very, very light. Okay, just like so. And we're just gonna do this side again. And of course, we are going to blend this up. So that's gonna give you a little bit of a cat eye look type of feeling. So just on the cheeks and up, just like so. This is my first time actually doing this on camera for you guys today. And there we go. Very, very light. Very, very, very pretty. Just right on the cheekbone. I don't usually take my blushes all the way here. I just leave it just on top of my cheekbone and I blend that up. This is very nice. I like that. And of course, you can build this up if you want. And again, this is called Pinch Me Pink. And this is from Wet n Wild. This was only $4 and change. Because every time I do my makeup, I use Goldfish from Naji Cosmetics, or I use something from Inglot or from MAC. Because, listen, I don't really have a lot of blushes. And again, the shimmy ones, I don't really like that much. Okay. And from Wet n Wild, this is it says Fight Dirty, and this is a setting spray. Now, this is the Detox setting spray. So this is going to set your face, but it's also going to prevent your pores from being clogged with all kinds of stuff. And just a little spray. And it doesn't really have a scent to it, maybe just very, very, very light. You put a little bit of this all over your face. And it's a very, 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 very light mist from Wet n Wild, and it feels really good on your skin. And I know sometimes when you put on some setting sprays, you know, your face is completely watered down, but this dries to a matte, plus it helps to detox your pores. I mean, these are the type of things that I shop for when I'm shopping for products, because I'm trying to keep my skin as clear as possible. And of course, as you can see, this is beginning to dry down and it hasn't really affected my makeup at all. And here it is, it's called Fight Dirty. This is the packaging right here, okay? And I got this from Walmart. This must have been about maybe $8 or $9, if that much, from Wet n Wild. And this is from Hard Candy. I picked up an eyeshadow palette, and this is the size of eyeshadow palettes that I will definitely be buying. This eyeshadow palette was $4.95. I am not going more than that, okay? I picked up a palette this size from the dollar store, okay? I can't see myself spending more than $10 for an eyeshadow palette because I want the colors to be different and I want the colors to actually stand out. So I'm just going to open this up quickly. Let me just see if I can pull the piece of paper out. And we're just going to open that. Very simple packaging. The colors are really nice. I was actually drawn to the colors when I saw this eyeshadow palette, these beautiful shimmers right there. And the rest of the colors, you have probably 1, 2, 3, 4 matte in here. You do have some beautiful shimmers as well. There we go. Hope you guys can see that. From Hard Candy. Again, the colors are really nice. And this is the Greek Tragedy palette. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box for you guys. Lovely colors. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be definitely doing a makeup look with this palette for you guys from Hard Candy. Really, really cute colors. Love that. And last but not least, these are all-in-one makeup remover wipes. This is from Neutrogena. So I'm just going to open this up for you guys right now. And the wipes are disposable. And this is my second time buying this. I remember when I purchased this the first time, I forgot to show you guys this in a haul. This was some time back, but this is just my second one that I'm using. So it comes in a beautiful little packaging like this. Again, it's completely disposable. The container is recyclable as well. So you need to put these things into your compost, including the wipes. And you just have to open this up, and you do have the packaging on the inside. And again, it's all disposable, and this is a completely clean product. No parabens, no dyes. This is plant-based. There's nothing to harm your skin. So I'm just going to open this up right now and take one out. And there we go, completely really helps to remove all of the dirt and gunk from your skin. So for example, if I do have let's say some makeup all over my hand, okay, I'm just gonna test this out for you guys right now. And let's just put let's say some eyeliners and stuff like that all over my hands, okay. And we are just going to remove this, and it helps to remove all of your makeup. It really helps to dissolve everything from your face, and it's also going to help to clean out your pores as well. And there we go, this is the product, okay. Really nice. Of course, you can just put everything back into your disposable container, and you can save it just like that. And you can, of course, you can put this in your beauty room, in your guest bedroom. You can put this anywhere you want. And of course, I love the little packaging right here. And again, this is from Neutrogena, okay. Okay, my lovelies, and I think this is it. This is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. I am going to leave everything down in the description box, and I hope you guys will be able to get a chance to pick up on one or two things. Again, these things are all from the drugstore, guys. They're all from the drugstore, all inexpensive and really good products for your skin. The Neutrogena all-in-one removal wipes are really good. It helps to remove all of the dirt and oil from your skin. This is made from recyclable plastic. The wipes are also disposable. Put them into your compost, okay? No alcohols, no dyes, no parabens, nothing to harm your skin. Clean products, very clean products for your skin. And again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. The giveaway is for my Canadian subscribers only within Canada. I am going to be giving away a $100 gift card upon what you're going to be receiving. Check it out on the website, and it's going to be a big giveaway. And that's the most I have given away, that I'll be giving away for a Sephora gift card. I've never given away a $100 Sephora gift card before. One of my Canadian subscribers will be definitely getting that, plus some of the things we talk about in the giveaway, again, all on the website, but I'm also going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. I do appreciate you spending this time with me today. Please come back next week for another video. Have yourself a good day. Toodles.